Bali, the island of the gods, epitomizes paradise with its stunning scenery and vibrant culture. Renowned for its surf and dive spots, Bali also intrigues with rich history and breathtaking landscapes. While many flock to popular tourist spots, the hidden gems of Bali await discovery for adventurous souls. This locale, with its white sandy beaches and delightful eateries, provides an enchanting backdrop for learning. The TEFL course consists of practical training and interactive classroom sessions, aimed at enhancing your teaching skills. Graduates leave with recognized certificates and personalized recommendations, opening doors to exciting teaching opportunities. Accommodation varies from cozy private abodes to spacious shared rooms, all mere moments from the training center. Explore diverse packaging options, including modest to luxury choices that cater to every budget and preference. With vibrant lessons ahead, embark on this adventure to become a certified English teacher in Bali's stunning paradise.